Creating a poll on WhatsApp is a straightforward process that allows you to gather opinions quickly and efficiently. Follow these simple steps to set up a poll in any private or group chat. If you're new to this channel, my name is Rachel and it's all about easy how-to-tech guides, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Navigate to the chat where you want to create the poll. This can be a private chat or a group conversation. For iPhone users, tap on the plus icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. For Android, tap on the paperclip. From the menu that appears, select Poll. Type your question in the designated field. Add up to 12 options for participants to choose from. Once you have added your question and options, tap on Send. The poll will be shared in the selected chat. Group members or chat participants can select their responses from the poll. To see the results, tap on View Votes. This will display how each participant voted. And that's it. Your WhatsApp poll is now ready for participants to engage with. This feature is perfect for quick decision-making or gathering feedback in a convenient and interactive way. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe and join us.